I am here at Ikea, and I'm going to take you inside, and we're going to look for things that you could use to outfit a car camper. I'm going to be looking at everything with an eye towards, could I use this in a car camper? If you are just starting out, this may be helpful to you. Let's go take a look and see what Ikea has to offer for car campers. This first one I thought would be ideal if you turned it so that the low part of the table was at the back of your SUV. You could use it to cook on, to do your dishes on, to prepare food on, and it wouldn't interfere with the slope of your hatchback door if that is an issue with your vehicle. Now remember, the prices that I'm showing you of these things are Canadian dollars. In the States, they are going to be considerably cheaper as far as the dollar amount goes. This next one has an extra shelf. It still has a storage space on the floor that you could use. And it has what you could probably use as a little work counter at the back, but I would probably cut off, and there we go, cutting things off. Cut off that top part that sticks out over top of it and use that bottom shelf that sticks out the back there as a work counter at the back of my SUV. We've all probably seen these very IKEA little side tables, and these tables can be stacked one on top of the other. I was kind of thinking about the idea of being able to store stuff underneath them, as well as having a basket or something on top. And if you wanted to stack the actual tables one on top of the other, if you have that kind of height in your SUV, you could actually attach Velcro to the bottoms of the legs and on the top of the table so that they actually stay together. This little end table I thought was really cute and has the two shelves as well as the top and space underneath to stick stuff into. I think the price is a little bit more than I would want to pay for something like this, but if this is the kind of thing you're looking for, it might be just the perfect solution. These side tables are also the same kind of thing. They have lots of space inside them to store stuff. The bottom shelf is accessible from both the front and the back. So if you were putting it in front of your side door, you'd be able to access the things inside that shelf from outside your car as well as inside your car. And then you've got that nice little shelf on the top to stick in a basket or maybe a little tote. And then the top part, you can put stuff on top of that too. And the price is pretty decent. This is one of the ones that I would seriously consider. I like this one because it has the length that would fill up that space beside your bed, and it has sliding doors, which makes it so you don't have to open up a door out onto your bed and maybe have to move your blankets and things like that. By having these sliding doors, I think it kind of keeps everything contained inside there. It's not going to fall out while you're driving, and it's accessible without having to move your bed around. It also sits right on the floor, so you're not losing any storage space underneath it. This one I think I have seen in a couple of van builds. It's got a really neat wire meshy type of door on it. The problem is that the door opens out, and because it's quite a wide door, you're going to have to be able to open it up over top of your bed. Otherwise, your bed's going to be in the way of opening up this door. But if you have a bed that is low enough, this could work really well. IKEA is well known for its cube storage shelves. Coming up with your own configuration to make a shelving system using these cubes could work really well in your car camper. Using baskets or totes inside or nothing, you could pile your clothes up on these shelves, put a bungee across to keep things from falling out. I think there's a lot of potential for using these cubes in a variety of ways in a car camper. I liked this little wire shelf. I thought it was really cute, and actually probably could sit on top of one of the other shelves that I've already showed you for additional storage. And wrapping a bungee all the way around to keep things from sliding off of it while you're driving, this could be a really good way of storing food products, like things that are in jars or cans or boxes that you can still see. So you're not digging through cupboards or boxes to find stuff. This next one is really nice because it has the shelves, which you could put baskets or totes on, and it has a space underneath if you wanted to stick stuff underneath out of the way. I'm thinking like blankets, extra clothing, things like that, things that you don't need to get a hold of every single day, but you want to have with you because you'd probably have to dig around between your mattress and the shelf to get to it. It's just another idea, something to think about, and we'll go on to the next one. This particular one, I think, is my favorite. It has bins that slide in and out like drawers. And because of the grooves that they've added to the inside of these shelves, you can have a different variety of bins to slide in and out. Now, I'm pretty sure the bins don't come with this. You have to buy the bins separately. But I thought this would be a really good option if you're wanting lots of storage and you want drawers and you want a countertop. I think this one would really work well. Don't forget, check out the marketplace to outfit your kitchen, because IKEA has so many kitchen gadgets and things, and a lot of them are smaller size. So check out IKEA's marketplace to outfit your car camper kitchen too. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more RVing and car camping tips, tricks, and trips. Bye.